everybody is well. Today's video is super exciting. It's Glossybox time. That was a really good face. For those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a monthly subscription box for beauty items, skincare, hair care, makeup, all kinds of good stuff. Sometimes they even send you chocolate, which is amazeballs. It's £13.25 a month. That's including post and packaging. And yeah, we're just gonna do it. This is Glossybox. They always come, or like, I don't know, quite a lot of the time they come in these beautiful pink, the classic Glossybox box. Sometimes they do really pretty ones, like with patterns on, but generally they are these classic boxes. So inside you get the little prints, and it comes like this, and it's always tied with a bow. Excuse my nails, I bit them all off the other day. And you get this little card which tells you about it, and then it's wrapped like this. And as I do every month, I will show you guys what I get first, if I can do it. So this is the box. Does it look good? Does it look good? Oh, okay. So this is a ginormous. This is a ginormous box. So in this is Beauty Beneath Original Formula, Fine Lines and Wrinkle and Skin Texture. And it's like a, I think it's a supplement, yeah. A food supplement. Oh, okay. Let's have a look and see what this is about this. This is a full-size product, and this is $39.99. Crumbs. This says, Beauty Beneath Supplements. While serums and moisturisers are vital for skin, they can only penetrate so far. So this is why it's a good idea to boost your efforts with nutrient-rich supplement. The Beauty Beneath formula from scientists at Boost consists of 2 soft gel capsules taken daily, each packed with a complex blend of 19 essential like vitamins and stuff to fade fine lines and wrinkles. I'm all for that. Hell yeah. I'm pretty sure I just got an email. I didn't open it yet, but I just got an email about this, I think. Yeah, from Glossybox, and it says this is not suitable for pescatarians. It has got beef gelatin in it, so if you get your Glossybox, be aware of that, because yeah, you can't. It's got beef gelatin in it, so that doesn't bother me in the slightest, because I eat all the meat. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I'm just gonna have a look and see what they're like. I don't normally do this with Glossybox. I normally just, oh, what are you? Got distracted by something purple. Get out. Okay, so, wow, yeah, so you get little, oh, they're purple as well. Easily pleased by purple things. Also there's big and small ones, and they basically said the small capsule, you just take 1 of each with plenty of liquid. So and it's got sunflower seed oil, beef gelatin. So it does say on here that it's got beef gelatin in it, so it's literally the second ingredient on there, so on both sides. Yeah, I'm excited to try it. I've never used anything like this, so yeah, we're gonna do it. I should probably read, I never read this. Happy New Year, Glossies. 2018 is upon us, and although we finally deglittered following a month of fun-filled festivities, there are a few things we need to take care of. This month we're hitting the reset button and putting self-care on top of our priority list. In this month's box you'll find 5 gorgeous treats to help you do the same. Yeah, okay, I'm just going to the purple thing because I'm too excited. So this is a Nail Medic Rejuvenator Nail and Cuticle Energizer. How pretty is that? I didn't realize it's 2 different colours. This is too exciting. This is full size, and this is $5.99. If your nails are in need of some serious TLC, did you watch my latest vlog, Glossybox? Is that why you've sent me this? Because I chewed off all my nails the other day. A delicious blend of vitamins, plant extracts, revitalizing eucalyptus and soothing lavender. Just mash out a few drops onto your nail beds and cuticles for instant hydration. Oh, I'm excited to try this. I'm going to smell it. Oh my god. I was expecting it to smell like real nail varnish, but it actually smells really nice. Oh, I am going to attempt to try and get this glitter off later, and then I'll use that. Next up is a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. and this is Dr. Botanicals. This is a full size one of these. It's £55. Crumbs. This is quite a good sample size. What are you? This is 15ml. This gorgeous facial oil is packed full of skin enriching minerals and vitamins. They all work together to rejuvenate, renew and protect your complexion. Moroccan rose is a potent source of vitamins A and C plus antioxidants, essential for protecting against free radicals. Pop 3 drops onto your fingertips and press into your skin, keeping you feeling hydrated all day long. So I'll give it a go. I'm going to smell it first. It's a really pretty little bottle. I love anything like this because it kind of just looks like it's like apothecary, and it just looks expensive. I've got my this stuff, my Perricone stuff, and that looks, this is expensive. This looks like sort of oldie worldy, and I like that. Please don't smell too much of rose. Oh, it doesn't. It smells nice. I'm not going to put it on my face now. I'm just going to rub a little bit into my hands and see. You know, I hate the smell of rose. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know I don't like the smell of rose. No, that smells really lovely. It's not overpowering at all. It's like, if I smelled that, I wouldn't go, oh, that smells of roses. But that smells lovely. I like that. I'm excited to try that. Yeah! Good work. What's next? Ah, what's this? An Apecia. I can't pronounce anything. Apecia. I'm doing Apecia. Cream blush. This is full size and it's £22, which is cray cray. It's a cream blush. I don't really wear blush, and I think in a box not that long ago we got 2 cream blushes from Glossybox in one box. So yeah, it was a Bang Beauty one and a Sleek. I've got them in my drawer to do a Versus one, but that wasn't that long ago, so I'm not a massive fan of that. But oh, I just started looking at the sneak peek for Netless. I'll tell you that in a minute. It says, if you're new to cream blush, this couldn't be a better product. As with the Apecia products, it is rich in organic bee pollen to nourish the skin. A subtle flush of colour, dab it on, blah blah blah. Deep honey pink. Let's try it. I've got no face makeup on today because I'm gonna, oh crumbs, I'm gonna go and get a foundation sample. So let's just have a little. I'm not putting that on my face. It smells good. Let's rub it into a hand that hasn't got a swatch on it. Okay. Oh, it's really subtle. It's quite pretty. It's not like you can see, like that's barely rubbed in. A little goes a long way. That's like completely covered both of my hands and my fingers, and you saw that was the tiniest amount. So be aware that that is potent stuff and it's staining my fingers. But it does look quite pretty. So yeah, give it a go. And then finally is a green tea primer. Ooh, Prep and Protect Vegan. This is full size. It's £22. Glossybox. You did it again. This is Evelyn Iona Cosmetics Green Tea Primer. A good primer is essential for flawless, long-lasting makeup, which is why we're so smitten with this. Packed with moisturising ingredients including avocado oil and green tea extract, it will nourish and protect your complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines and large pores, and help your makeup stay long for longer. It's cruelty-free, vegan and paraben-free, so that is super exciting. And yeah, that's £22. So this one's, I'm going to undo it. I'm going to undo it. Let's have a little look. Let's have a look. So it just looks like lotion. I'm just going to rub it into my arm. Oh, it smells nice. It doesn't feel like, just feels like body lotion really. I'm excited to try that on my face. Doesn't feel like it's got, like, has it got any dimethicone? It says it's got dimethicone in it. It's like the 3rd ingredient, but it doesn't feel like it's got dimethicone in it. You know, like when you get like the real like slip, it doesn't feel like that. So excited to try that. Let's just quickly add this up. So we've got the capsules are £40. That is £22. That's 62. 67. £89 plus this is a sample when there's 55 full size, so you're getting close to £100 there of stuff, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm really excited to try everything. Actually, I haven't had a box other than that. I'll try this. That's a lie. I'm not excited to try it. I'm not excited to try this. I will try it, but I'm not excited to try it. Everything else I'm super excited to try. Next month's sneak peek, which what you get every month in the card, is a Studio 10 Makeup Mist Glow Plexion. A primer, hydrating spritz and setting spray all in one. So I am all about that shiz. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below if you want to try Glossybox for yourself. By all means, go for it. It is one of my favourite ones. It is the only one that when I started my channel last February, I got a Glossybox and I've never cancelled it. I've had it the whole time. Every other box has been cancelled and redone and cancelled and redone, but I've stuck with Glossybox the whole time. So, and I'm fickle as fudge. So, yes, that tells you something. If you like these kind of videos, you should give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.